So what are the best penny stocks to buy on January 22nd, 2025? Well, number one recommendation is black box stocks. Stock symbol BLBX. It is up today 141% or $2.39, trading at $4.08. Since this morning, it already traded 110 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $25 million. So what can I tell you about this company? I actually investigated this company before, and I think this guy's actually dealing with like stock trading. I think they have like a website or something where they advise people how to trade, or maybe they trade themselves. But I mean, the word black box stocks kind of tells you that it is something about, I guess, stock trading. So for the last 6 months, though, the company was relatively, unknown and not really popular because there was almost no trading volume on the stock. So whatever news arrived today, I mean, they made like a huge impact on the stock because suddenly, out of nowhere, it is producing 110 million shares in trading volume, which kind of tells you that there's a lot of new buyers who are coming in and trying to acquire those shares and pushing them more than doubling them in one day. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, maybe put some money into it. But be careful, if you decide to pull the trigger at $4.08, you're buying at a 6-month high. If something doesn't work out, it could crash back to $1 or $2 very easily. So be careful. So black box stocks, stock symbol BLBX, only $4.08 a share. Next one is ImmunoPrecise Antibodies Limited, stock symbol IPA, like a beer. It is up today 49% or 24 cents, trading at 73 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 274 million shares in the first 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $50 million. So this is obviously a pharmaceutical penny stock based on the word immuno, because antibodies, so maybe it has to do something with vaccines, because that's why we have vaccines, to generate these antibodies to fight any kind of viruses. So and for the last 6 months, I mean, it wasn't really trading much. It was mostly collapsing, went from $1 to like all the way to 30 cents. But it is staging a major comeback today with whatever news they released, because suddenly you have, 274 million shares in trading volume, kind of just like with the company before. A lot of new buyers coming in and pushing the prices super high. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there, because maybe they released some kind of new medication, got positive clinical trials. So maybe they're getting approved by FDA for whatever medication they were developing. But in any case, right now, it's one of the hottest stocks in the market. And if I were you, I would definitely investigate it and maybe put some money into it. So ImmunoPrecise Antibodies Limited, stock symbol IPA, only 74 cents a share. Next one is Asset Entities, stock symbol ASST. It is up today 35% or 32 cents, trading at $1.22. So this stock was on my news report yesterday. It went up quite a bit on a huge volume. So today volume is 121 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is about $15 million. So the stock is staging a major comeback, already 2 sessions back to back with huge volume. Yesterday's volume was like over 200 million shares, I think. And in these 2 days, the stock went from 50 cents to $1.20, so more than doubling. and it looks like it keeps going up. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what kind of news they released and why is it like so major that it's pushing the stock that hasn't been traded much, you know, to huge trading volume, and also almost doubling, almost tripling in price. So asset entities, stock symbol ASST, only $1.22 a share. Next one is New Era Helium, stock symbol NEHC. It is up today 32% or 90 cents, trading at $3.64 a share. Since this morning, it already traded 25 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $60 million. So, I'm not sure what this company does. I just see the word helium, but it could be anything. So, maybe they're making helium balloons. So, the main thing is that this is a recent IPO. This company started to trade publicly only on December 9th of last year, or pretty much like a couple of months ago. So it started to trade $9, then it quickly collapsed all the way to $2. Nobody was trading it, nobody was even aware probably about this company. But they released some kind of news today, and suddenly the stock that was barely traded, maybe a few hundred shares a day, suddenly is pulling 25 million shares in trading volume. So whatever news they released, that this is something major, something that the market was very excited about, or is excited about, because it's bringing a lot of new buyers, and plus it's pushing the price really high. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what kind of helium deal they got there. But the main thing is that if you decide to pull the trigger at $3.64, you're still getting it at almost 6-month low, which basically tells you that there's a good chance that you could make some money there, especially if the stock goes back to its previous levels of $9 a share. So if you buy for 3, sell for 9, I mean, you're pretty much tripling your money. You're making 300% return on your investment. So take a look, see what's going on there, and maybe put some money into it. So New Era Helium, stock symbol NEHC, only $3.64 a share. Next one is Foxo Technologies, stock symbol FOXO. It is up today 32% or 7 cents, trading at 30 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 95 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $10 million. So I actually spoke about this company a while back. It was back in November, when out of nowhere the stock went from 10 cents all the way to $1 in a matter of a couple of weeks, with some major jumps just on one day. So, and ever since that time, the stock was really kind of like, couldn't really maintain such a high price of $1, and it gradually collapsed to 20 cents. So while it was collapsing, obviously nobody was trading it much, and without a major buyer support, any stock would probably collapse. So, however, they released some kind of news today, and it's producing, you know, a huge amount of trading volume of 97 million shares. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what kind of news they're pushing on the market, and if it sounds promising enough, then maybe you should probably put some money into it. So Foxo Technologies, stock symbol FOXO, only 29 cents a share. Next one is PTL Limited, stock symbol PTLE. It is also a recent IPO, started to trade on October 16th at $2, went all the way to $14, and then quickly collapsed back to like $2. But right now it's staging a comeback with some kind of news that were released, and the stock is going up like crazy by 30% in one day. So take a look, maybe put some money into it. PTL Limited, stock symbol PTLE, only $3.17. Thank you.